Great Plains Health didn't happen overnight. It happened over 30 years. None of us did this on our own.
Together, the North Platte community has built a financially strong, independent healthcare system that is a leader in quality, care, and growth. Leading it all is a man of integrity, humility, and strength, Chief Executive Officer Mel McNea.
Mel has kind of an infectious enthusiasm. He's an example of a leadership by example. The things he does, the integrity, the reaching out to people are just features of his personality that we knew would be good in this leadership position.
What I see in Mel is this passion for patient care that's always been there. And I have the privilege of watching Mel interact with physicians every day. He develops a very good relationship with them. He's very honest and open with them. Every step of the way brings in that patient care is our number one priority.
Mel cares a lot about the community, not only the community here in North Platte, but he's very passionate about maintaining independence of healthcare within the region. He cares just as much about this community as he does about the communities that are around us, and he wants to make sure that they're able to maintain their independence, and he wants to be there to support them and help them continue to provide healthcare in their communities.
Mel he's one of those people that just immediately connects with people. You see it every time he has an interaction with a staff or a physician, whoever it may be. I have learned so much from him in terms of how much passion and care and commitment, all of those things can lead a team to do just extraordinary things. They say that the foundation of good leadership is the ability to build relationships, and Mel does this every day with a tremendous amount of energy that's just really fun to work with.
I work here at the coffee shop at Great Plains Health. I interact with Mel on a daily basis. I've witnessed that Mel is a very personable and he's a very approachable person, and you can tell he's very concerned about his employees and the patients here at the hospital.
It all started in orientation, and I was in a class full of people who all had degrees, and I felt like I was just this little person in housekeeping. He stopped me and he told me that I was just as important as everybody else in that room, and I could make just as big a difference as everybody else in that room. He gave me his story and how he moved forward and how he made it all the way to where he is today. To this day, I still remember Mel telling me that I'm important, that I can make just as big a difference as anybody else can in this hospital. I just remember that if I'm ever feeling discouraged, so.
Mel leads from both his head and his heart. I think he has a great combination there. He always readily takes more blame in anything that happens. He always refers to it as it's a process or it's a situation.
Mel's always been a good listener. He continues to work on improving process. He's kind of stuck through us with good times and bad. I see us running a pretty stable ship.
So this is going to be kind of a, before you ever come on, kind of pre-roll. And then we may use it in sort of a welcome video packet to them too.
Okay.
We're talking about
for new employees. One of the things I really relate to and had a profound influence on me is the passing of my own mother and father in north central North Dakota. Very similar, rural America, sparsely populated, but they didn't have access to a lot of the care that would have helped them on their journey or in the end of their lifespan. They went without, and access to quality health care is something I think is essential, and it's important that we deliver to West Central Nebraska, and we do that in collaboration with our critical access hospitals around us. People are not going to travel big distances when they're elderly, and so how do we deliver that quality care to their bedside or to their hometown is real important to me.
He's not an extremely technical person, but he is someone who definitely appreciates the capability of technology. He understands the relationship between technology and healthcare, and he knows that if we have great technology, we're going to be able to provide great care here at Great Plains Health.
North Platte's blessed to have a Mel McNea, and Great Plains Health certainly has benefited greatly from his leadership, and we just hope he's here for a long, long time to come.
He's a great papa. Mel is a great leader.
He's an amazing dad.
There is no CEO more deserving of this award than my friend, my CEO, Mel McNea.